How to transfer money from Capital One Bank to any bank. Let's get started. Need to transfer money from your Capital One account to another bank. Whether it's a saving account, checking account, or investment account, Capital One makes it easy to send funds securely. Begin by logging into your Capital One online banking account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Transfers section of your online banking dashboard. This is where you will find options related to transferring money between accounts. Look for an option to make an external transfer to another bank account. This may be labeled as external transfer or something similar. Enter the necessary details of the recipient bank account, such as the account number, routing number, and the name of the account holder. Double-check the information for accuracy. Enter the amount you wish to transfer and select the funding account from which you want to send the money. Then, review the transfer details carefully to ensure everything is correct. Once you are satisfied, confirm the transaction to initiate the transfer. And you have successfully initiated a transfer from your Capital One account to another bank. You should receive confirmation of the transaction, and the funds will be sent according to your processing timeframes of the recipient bank. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily transfer money from your Capital One account to another bank account securely and conveniently. So this way you can easily transfer money from Capital One to any bank. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.